Alrighty guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can change your oil and filter on your C8 Corvette. And I gotta say, doing an oil change on a C8 is much easier than you think. You don't need to go to the dealer and spend hundreds of dollars. Now before we get into this video, make sure to drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So first things first, I want to show you guys what I picked up. I have literally 8 quarts of oil here. This is Mobil 1 Supercar 0W40, and you have to make sure the oil that you get is Dextos approved. For your oil filter wrench, I have one of these. I don't know the exact size, but I'll put it on the screen or in the description. This is my new oil filter, and I got an aftermarket performance filter, which is from K&N. And this one has a 1-inch socket adapter. So that's what this is, a 1-inch socket. And this is gonna be a much higher quality oil filter compared to the OEM GM version. This is easier to take on and off and not get seized. So I would highly recommend upgrading your filter to the K&N performance version. Now, depending on your car model, whether you have the coupe or the convertible, the engine is going to be located in the rear. So you do have to open up the convertible top if you have the convertible version to access your engine. And then when you do the whole entire service, it's going to be in the rear because this is a mid-engine car. So we are going to have to lift up the car and drain the oil from back here and top it up from the top portion. So first things first, I'm gonna just get this car on the ramps, and you do wanna warm your car up for at least 10 minutes just to kind of let the fluid go through the system and drain to the bottom. And then we could start draining this car and topping it up. Alrighty, so this is the setup. I have the ramps backwards. I think it's a little bit easier. Initially, I was gonna just back up onto the ramp this way, but I couldn't see behind me, so I decided to just jack it up, switch the ramps around. I have the top open here, which gives us access to this part. And this is where you're gonna have your oil filler cap right over there, along with your dipstick. And I absolutely love how this car has a traditional old-fashioned dipstick. Instead of all these modern cars having the electronic dipstick, this has the old school version, which is absolutely amazing. Look at that. I'm gonna slide in a piece of cardboard and show you guys what it looks like under the car. So we are on the rear side, as you can see. And as you move under, you get a nice visual. So that over there is your oil filter. So that's what you gotta remove. And then your drain bolt's actually a little bit deeper in there. So right over there. So you see that little nub? So that's your drain bolt. It's a 15 millimeter. And for some reason, if you strip it, you do have the center portion, which is a Torx bit. So yeah, you want to crack that loose, drain the oil. And after you drain that, move forward a bit, remove the oil filter and drain that as well. Ooh, not bad. Look at that drain bolt though, holy cow, it's long. So yeah, I'm gonna let this oil drain completely before putting this back in. And when you put this drain bolt back in, you wanna torque it down to 18 foot-pounds of torque. And for the oil filter down here, it's actually the same exact torque spec, 18 foot-pounds. So yeah, drain the oil, put this back in, 18 foot-pounds, remove this, drain it, put the new one in at 18 foot-pounds. Alrighty, so we just drained the oil and put the drain bolt and the oil filter back in at 18 foot-pounds of torque. Now it is time to fill up the new oil. First things first, I'm gonna just open the cap. Now, ideally you wanna use a funnel, but I'm just gonna kinda eyeball it and hope for the best. All right, now we can close it up. And let's close this up. Alrighty, so now that we changed the oil, it's time to reset the oil service on your car. So first things first, let's start it up. On the right side screen, just try to find the maintenance section right there. It's the fourth menu. As you can see, I have engine oil life at 18%, which is pretty low. So what we're gonna do is just press that one time, and then there's all these options. You have reset engine oil, reset transmission fluid, transmission filter. So we're gonna select engine oil, press that. It's gonna ask you, would you like to reset the values now? And you're gonna press yes one more time. And now it is at 100%. But other than that, that is pretty much how you do an oil change on a C8 Corvette. It's pretty straightforward. It's like any other car, just the layout's a little bit different because you're in the rear rather than the front. But hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. I will leave all the information in the description below and the tools and the torque specs that you need to know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.